Hi, I'm Kathy Bernard of Wiser You, and I'm leading MDMC's intensive workshop, LinkedIn for Marketing and Sales, which is offered virtually on both April 26th and April 27th, 2021. In this session, you will learn exactly how you or your company can score high on LinkedIn and Google for what you do or what you sell. Because if done right, LinkedIn can generate a whopping 80% of your social media leads, according to Entrepreneur Magazine. 80%. That's why it's essential to leverage LinkedIn, the world's largest business network, to grow your business in three key ways. One, you'll learn how to enhance your company's brand to be found by prospects. Two, you'll learn how to find and engage with your target customers. And three, you'll learn how to make the most of LinkedIn's powerhouse network of more than 700 million members to grow your business. I look forward to you joining me for LinkedIn for Marketing and Sales at MDMC 2021. Register now at bestmarketingconference.com.